To throw a football as far as possible, it's vital to start with a good basic technique. Grasp the ball in your dominant hand with your fingers between the laces and most of the weight of the ball in front of your hand. Use your other hand to stabilize the ball until you're ready to throw it. Plant your feet shoulder-width apart and bend your knees slightly, keeping most of your weight on your back foot. Raise your dominant arm with your elbow bent at a 90-degree angle, so the ball is over your shoulder. Next, step forward with your lead foot and point your toe in the direction you want to throw the ball. Pull your lead arm down and push forward with your back foot as you throw. Extend your dominant arm fully as you launch the ball from your hand, and twist your waist in the direction of the throw at the same time. Snap your wrist as you throw the ball so that your thumb is pointing downward as the ball leaves your hand. This will give the ball a bit of spin and help it go farther. Once you master the basics, try more advanced techniques like leaning back slightly before you throw or raising your shoulders slightly and launching the ball at a 45-degree angle. You can also try using a crow step when you throw. To do this, cross your back foot behind your front foot, then step forward with your lead foot as you throw the ball.